Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, March 5th, and we are going to get into the prices of cryptocurrencies. All right, let's jump right into the computer. We're going to start off with Bitcoin at $8,927.16. This is actually up 1.3% from yesterday. We saw some good fluctuations, a little dip, but at the end of the day, it started to really pick up. Ethereum is at $229.25. This is actually up 1.7% over the day. We saw a little bit of a dip, but also again brought up at the end of the day. Dash is at $89.70, which is literally no movement. It is a zero flat line in the last 24 hours. And Litecoin is at $61.50. Now Litecoin actually had a 1% movement. Again, we saw a little bit of a dip in the middle of the day, but everything seemed to be on an upward trend towards the end of the day. I'm super curious to see how today's gonna go because almost every single cryptocurrency at the end of the day started to trend upwards. So we might see some big movement in the next 24 hours. Come back tomorrow, get an update, and we'll see you in the next video.